To our dear Professor, Dr. Emily Agunos, panel of evaluators, classmates, a pleasant morning to everyone. It's a great opportunity to be a part of this activity with the theme, Current Development of Educational System, Policy, Trends and Issues, and Best Practices of Selected Education in Asia and other parts of the world. Let me introduce my group mates. Erlyn Istura, Jenaline Bulanon, Cherry Rose Antangkangko, Jamila Makapundag, and yours truly, Mary Sweet Rose A. Tindok. Our study was entitled Japan's Best Practices and Education Success, Basis for Policy Studies in Philippine Education. Part 1. A background on the Philippine and Japan educational system. The educational system of the Philippines was highly influenced by the country's colonial history. That history has included period of Spanish, American, and Japanese rule and occupation. The most important and lasting contributions came during America's occupation of the country, which began in 1898. It was during that period that English was introduced as the primary language of instruction and the system of public education was established. Education in the Philippines is offered through formal and non-formal systems. Formal education typically spans 17 years, kinder plus 6 years of elementary education, 4 years of junior high school, 2 years of senior high school, and 4 years of higher education, leading to a bachelor degree. Elementary and secondary education is administered by the Department of Education. Tertiary higher education, bachelor's degree, master's degree, PhD degree, non-university higher education, or vocational and technical. The Commission on Higher Education is responsible in the formulation and implementation of policies, plans and programs for the development and efficient operation of the higher education system in the country. The delivery of higher education in the Philippines is provided by the private and public higher education institution. Types of higher education institution: state universities and colleges. Private institutions, state universities and colleges, institutions founded by the national government. They have their own charters and autonomous from CHED. CHED-supervised institutions or non-chartered colleges directly under the supervision of CHED, and the annual budget allocation is integrated in the government budget appropriation of CHED. Private institutions are owned and administered by private individuals, groups, or corporations, classified either as sectarian or non-sectarian colleges and universities. Sectarian schools are usually non-stock, non-profit institutions owned and operated by religious orders. Non-sectarian schools are owned by private corporations which are not affiliated to any religious organization. Majority are stock and a few are non-stock, non-profit corporations, and a number are foundations. Discipline or field of study: agriculture education, business and management education, engineering and architecture, health profession education, humanities, social sciences and communication, information technology, maritime education, science and mathematics, and teacher education. Japanese educational system. Japanese educational system: 6 years of elementary school, 3 years of junior high school, 3 years of high school, and 4 years of university. Ministry of Education represents the Central Education Authority in Japan, oversees many national institutions such as universities, museums, research institutes, and youth centers, gives assistance to all levels of education throughout the country, closely supervises curriculum, textbook, classes, and maintain a uniform level of education throughout the country. As a result, a high standard of education is made possible. Tertiary or higher education in Japan consists of bachelor's level, master's level, doctorate level of medical programs and humanities. Universities. These institutions provide 4 years training leading to a bachelor's degree and 6 years program leading to a professional's degree. The two types of public 4 years colleges are the national universities, including open universities, and the local public universities, which are funded by prefectures and municipalities. The other 4-year colleges were private. Popular courses in Japan: social sciences, business, law, accounting, engineering, humanities, and education. The quality of university and higher education in Japan is internationally recognized. There are 11 Japanese universities in the 2006 TNES QS World University Ranking. Out of the top 100 Asian universities in 2011's Times Higher Education QS World University Ranking, 33 were Japanese. Junior colleges are mainly private institutions. More than 90% of the students in junior colleges are women. Higher education for women is still largely perceived as preparation for marriage or for a short-term career before marriage. This college frequently emphasize home economics, nursing, teaching, humanities, and social sciences in their curricula. Special training schools offer training in specific skills such as computer science and vocational training. Some students attend these schools in addition to attending university. Others go to qualify for technical licenses or professional certification. The first stage of special training schools is lower than that of universities, but graduates, particularly in technical areas, are readily absorbed by the job market. College of Technology. Most of these schools are national institutions established to train students in 5-year programs in a number of fields, including the merchant marine. These colleges are unique in that they accept students after 3 years of secondary school. The 5-year program includes a general education at the beginning and then becomes highly specialized. Part 2: Japan's policies, trends, issues, and best practices. Education policy in Japan: building bridges towards 2030. Reforming the curriculum, an ambitious attempt to prepare young people for the future. Japan is a high-performing country in international comparisons. To adapt for the future, a new curriculum must prepare students for jobs that have not been created, technologies that have yet been invented, and problems that can't be predicted. The new curriculum focuses on using active learning strategies to develop students around 3 pillars: problem solving, creativity, and good learning habits. Sustaining holistic education, a key objective for the education system. But the price for this system is extraordinarily long working hours for teachers and a high degree of responsibility. The current revision of the school organizations aims to reduce a teacher's burden and to provide extra services to students at school. No ECEC year is mandatory in Japan, but enrollment rates are high for children over 4 years old, but significantly below those of leading countries for children below 3 years old. Gender imbalances persist in the labor market, where the wage gap and participation rates are among the largest across OECD countries. There is a need to ensure that lifelong learning supports reintegration of workers who have limited time for study. Japan's trend. 2 trends have dominated domestic debate regarding Japanese education since the 1990s. The trends can be symbolized as a perceived conflict between the catchphrase Yutori Kyuku, roughly and somewhat misleadingly translated as a more relaxed education or education some freedom, and the action plan for improving academic ability. A specific response to the perceived decline of the academic, meaning ability in math, science, and literacy in comparison to their peers in other industrialized nations. The Gakusho Shido Yoryo that was implemented in 2002, responding to these trends, implemented the strongest version of Yutori Kyuku, The ultimate desire was to instill in students a zest for learning, to develop human resources capable of supporting and developing our society and leading the international society, to guarantee the quality of education in upper secondary school and university, to develop human resources who are capable of contributing to an intelligent population. To this end, world-class education and research centers need to be formed, and the internationalization of universities needs to be promoted. Japan's educational issues, status and issues of the stages until the completion of compulsory education. Preschool education has a long-term ramifications for personality development and is the basis for compulsory schooling. Compulsory education, elementary and lower secondary school. In upper secondary education, the students can decide what kind of schools they attend according to their motivation and ability. Tuition-free public upper secondary schools and tuition assistance subsidies for private upper secondary schools had been in place since the fiscal year 2012. The functions needed of higher education institutions have become more diverse as a result of changes in social and economic structures brought about by Japan's transition to a smart, mature society. Lifting the contribution of education to Japanese skills system, an urgent need for the Japanese society. Japan's educational system is high-performing, but there is still room to further boost its contribution to overall skill development. Funding support is limited in early childhood education and care, and tertiary education, educational stages. The low uptake of adult training in Japan also implies that there is a room for improving lifelong learning to help potential workers upskilling or reskilling and make the best of use of the skill pool as the population has started to shrink. Educational vision to be pursued over the next 10 years to cultivate in all children the foundation for independence within society by the same time they complete compulsory education, to improve the quality of public education and establish people's trust in it, to raise children with the support of the whole society. Part 3. Application of Japan's educational success to the Philippines. How can we apply Japan's educational success to Philippines? Policies. There is a clear correlation between the quality of educational system and its general economic status and overall well-being of the population. In 2021, Japan ranked 7th in the education rankings by country. Due to the fact that their educational system is so good, Japan has one of the world's best educated population with 100% enrollment in compulsory grades and zero illiteracy rate. With the above facts about Japan's success with their educational system, below are the list of possible policies which may be adopted by the Philippines to enhance its educational system. Japanese schools has a nutritionist who monitors the healthy nutrition for students and creates a menu. Since teachers and students eat together inside the classroom, since teacher and student eat together inside the school, this has a good effect both on teachers and student, and the relationship between them is enhanced. It is interesting to note that the health of the children is one of the most indispensable factor in ensuring that the country will achieve healthy population, which will eventually benefit socio-economic situation of the country and will constitute the most beneficial and productive and fruitful workforce for the society. Philippines must adopt a policy concerning or providing not only free and compulsory education but also by providing free, healthy, and nutritious lunches for the teachers and students, developing values inside the schools which include self-discipline, teamwork, patriotism, respect, industry, love for the environment, and the like are some of the secrets of Japan's in ensuring successful educational system. Developing important values among students is one of the avenues of Japan towards success in educating their students. They have no janitors inside their school, but children work in teams doing the task. Nobody litters since they are trained to become responsible. Policy on developing curriculum which is geared toward developing certain values and norms necessary for individual holistic growth and development. A policy study to sustain holistic education of students is the effective delivery of a well-rounded holistic education for children and to appropriate funds thereof.